हां त्याच्याच बाजूला जाऊया आपण. हेलो ये देखो पीछे पीछे लगा है. Alright, a very good morning guys. This is Chasing Nirvana. That's my wife Hedvi and we are riding to Sri Somnath Jyotirling today. It's 4:41. We have 417 kilometers of journey ahead of us and let's ride. Again, riding light this time. No saddlebag, just the top box that has accommodated our stuff. It's going to be a day's trip. Well, day's trip as in we're gonna stay the night and tomorrow morning we're gonna just ride back to Gandhinagar. So let's go. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Brimbadu Kal Bhairavaya Namah. I need to just be careful of the rear tire pressure because it had an event puncture a few weeks ago. Alright, the estimated time of arrival is 12:16 p.m. I think it's going to take us another hour, so let's say around 1:32 we'll be in Somnath. So I have put my tire pressure monitoring system display on. You know, I just want to be sure the rear tire is not losing air or leaking air. I think you know, with just one puncture, the trust you have in tires subsequently subsides. So I think we have joined the most lovely roads. ये रोड्स मस्त है, गांव से जाते हैं ना. There's more 303 kilometers to go. Estimated time of arrival is 2:45. And this roads, I mean, once you enter the rural parts of India, right, most likely you will see such beautiful roads, such pakka roads. And the national highways are a total mess for sure. ये देखना पूरा हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस रहेगा कुछ तो, पर भूतिया लग रहा है, भूतिया लग रहा है पूरा. हाँ हाँ ना. And more 35 kilometers to go for Somnath. Once we reach our hotel, I think we're gonna have lunch, rest a while, and then set out for the darshan. The temple is hardly 2 kilometers away from our hotel, so yep. That's how people react to big bikes. No age bar, guys, no age bar. हाँ, होटल आदित्य मानसिंह ना. हाँ, अच्छा थोड़ा सॉल्टी स्मेल है तो का. It's a sea nearby ना, इसलिए. देवा महाराजा है ना. हाँ, ओके, थैंक यू भैया. Alright, finally here at the Aditya Man Singh Inn, and that's our hotel for the day, for the night. I think we did a good job choosing this hotel. So let's unwrap. This is Chasing Nirvana signing off from day one. Alright, a very good morning guys. This is 5th of October and we are signing off from Somnath. We are staying at Aditya Man Singh Hotel. Pretty decent hotel to stop by. Even though it's on the expensive side, but right from the stay, hospitality, food, everything is amazing. So do consider it in case you're planning to visit Somnath and want a great stay. Right now the plan is we'll be going to Talala first, then Sasangir, then Junagadh, and then we'll head towards Gandhinagar. Har Har Mahadev. We just took a right and we are on the road of Talala and Sasangir. Right. So again, the auto rickshaw guy who dropped us at our hotel yesterday from Temple, he said, you know, that's a good 15 kilometers of forest patch that you can travel on, and it's safe because you know, vehicles are frequenting there and people also stay there. So yeah, here we are. Chasing Nirvana.
आप लोगों का नाम? संदीप है मेरा, उसका नाम जयदीप.
संदीप जी और जयदीप जी. चलो, अच्छा लगा मिलके. So these guys saw us taking pictures. They went ahead, then they took a U-turn and they just came back. Doing sweet 72 right now. Much stable. Alright, we exited the Gir National Forest on our way to Junagadh, and then we'll head towards Gandhinagar. Again, the most weird thing about people riding here is not the locals I'm talking about, but people who are visiting the national forest. So there are two cars right up ahead. One of the passenger of that car threw a plastic on the road inside the Gir forest. Assholes. We had an amazing ride through the Sagasan Gir forest. Sagasan ना? Sagasan Gir होता ना ते? Sagasan Gir था वो. Sorry, Sasan Gir forest. And we were at the Junagadh. We were just crossing Junagadh. We stopped by to have breakfast. Right. So we had an amazing ride through the Sasangir forest, though we could not see any lions, just a fox that crossed the road. And right now we are just heading towards the highway. We are in Junagadh. Had our breakfast at the Greenland Cafe Hotel. Amazing breakfast, right? 500 में बहुत कुछ खा लिया भाई. अभी we're gonna go back on track and introducing everyone. This is Grr that we just adopted, the lion, not from Gir but from Junagadh. We adopted him from that particular store, and let's roll. मेरे को लगा ही उसने भगाया, मैं बच्चों को देखा था जब पास हुआ तो मैं रियर व्यू मिरर में देखा वो स्पीड अप किया। आजा। क्या मस्त निकाला ना, पर स्टॉल हो गया उधर। हाँ Alright, we are on the Gondal-Ahmedabad highway, right? This is the shortest route towards Ahmedabad. Instead of going via Rajkot, most of the times the map shows this road. Again, a beautiful road, villages all around, and absolute greenery. It makes everything just perfect. So this is the same route that we took while we were traveling to Somnath. It's 11:48 now, almost noon, and we have 261 kilometers to go. Estimated time of arrival is 4 p.m. 43 minutes, almost 5. Initially it was showing 5:30. मस्त है ना? Pawan Chakki. Windmill. What a fucking route. कुछ बोल रहे थे क्या ये? अरे वो गाड़ी वाला शायद रोकने को बोल रहा था अपने को। वो अभी लेफ्ट में था ना गाड़ी भगा के लाया वो। पीछे बच्चे तो थे। हाँ त्याच्याच बाजूला जाऊया आपण। हेलो ये देखो पीछे लगा है। कैसे हो? बढ़िया। अरे वाह, अभी सोमनाथ गए थे, आज सुबह निकले, अभी गांधीनगर। हाँ अरे चलो बाय बाय। Cute. It's amazing when people have an interaction with you. It's always because you're wearing a camera, your bike is amazing, you're fully geared, right? And it happens it's not necessarily with just big bikes. I've experienced that on my Enfield as well, so it's wonderful. We just stopped by, we had a brief interaction with those guys. The kid was very excited to see the bike and the camera. He opened the YouTube right away. He asked if I vlog, and Hetwi just searched the channel for him, and I think he subscribed as well. Amazing. Alright, we this trip was the most spontaneous one that I ever took. Hetwi is all about spontaneous trips and impromptu trips. So initially the plan was to stay at Gir and then travel to Somnath for darshan, but it could not materialize. Instead, we went to Somnath, stayed the night, had a beautiful darshan. Man, the Jyotirling is so beautiful. This is beautiful. हाँ, गर्मी तो होता है, पर सेफ्टी वाइज अच्छा है ना. गिरे विरे तो इस पे जाएगा, आंख पे नहीं लगेगा, मतलब बॉडी पे नहीं लगेगा.
हवा लगता है तो इतना गर्म नहीं.
हाँ, अगर रुक गए तो फिर वाट लगता है. Alright, we stopped at the Jio petrol pump for a pee break. Each and every staff surrounded the bike and were asking questions, and their customers were left unattended. So the manager had to come out and shout at them कि भाई लाइन लगाए जाओ. So this gentleman stopped us, clicked pictures, and was having a conversation. Chalo. It's amazing how people just chase you up, and you know, I tend to sense that excitement when they close up to your vehicle, to Brahma, right? I could see them in the side view mirror, and he was very excited. He wanted a picture while he was riding. I said, let's stop, rukte. I love it. गंदा. वो ऐसा किधर से गया रहेगा? वो रॉन्ग साइड से गया रहेगा, उसने चढ़ा है रॉन्ग साइड से. एंड दिस इज आवर Grr. I think he's pretty scared because he was tied on top of the top box, and we're doing a good 130 kilometers per hour, right? Grr. Okay, this is Chasing Nirvana signing off. Take care, stay blessed, and ride safe.